How to invite your friends to like page on Facebook. So if you want to invite your friends to like a page on Facebook, and first you need to open up your Facebook. After that, go with your profile, which is on the top right, and make sure that you're on your page. Once you switch to your page, you can go with manage page, which will be on the top left. And if you scroll down, you'll find an option of invite friends to like your page. So go with see more. Here you will have invite friends to like your page. You just need simply go with invite friends. And as you can see that it says you need to first switch to your Facebook profile, and then you need to search for your page and use the search bar to find and select your page. And from the three dots menu on your page, you can select invite friends. You'll still be acting as your profile. So tap on switch now. After that, you need to select your friends and go with send invite. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.